Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is the gender. Okay. Yeah, last week we studied about a lesson. What was name of our lesson? The singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, plural means many. And today we are going to study is lesson number 9, the gender. Okay. What is the gender? Gender means what? Gender means there are 3 types of genders. There are main 4 types of gender. First one is masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, third one is common gender, and the fourth one is neuter gender. Okay. Now here it is told that there is a picture given here. Match the following pictures with the words. One example has been done for you. What is told that here we have to match the pictures with the words. Match the pictures with the words means what we have to do? We have to match the pictures with the words. Now for example this, either a male or female. Now here it is done on what? Any example is given or what? No. Okay, yes. Here man, male, right? It is matching is done man, male. So child will be what? Child will be either male or a female. Okay. Girl will be female. Table will be neither male nor female. Okay. What we have to do then? Child, from here, from child you have to do arrow till here. It is either a male or a female. Okay. Next girl is what? Girl is a female, so we have to match the pair with female. Table is what? Table is neither male nor a female. It is non-living thing, so you have to match word table with neither male nor females. Okay. And in this way we are going to study about masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. There are 4 types. There are 4 types of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now here it is told that a noun that denotes male, a noun that denotes male, a noun that denotes male is called what? It is called, the noun that denotes male is called which gender? It is called masculine gender. Okay. Which denotes male is called masculine gender. The noun which denotes male is known as which gender? It is known as masculine gender. Second one is the noun that denotes female. Okay. A noun that denotes female is feminine gender. Is which gender? Is feminine gender. A noun that denotes either male, the noun that denotes either male. Okay, it can be either male or female. Either male or a female is known what? Is known as is common gender. Is common gender. And the noun which is not even male, which is not even female, that is called neuter gender. Okay. For this masculine gender, what we call in English? In Marathi, what we call? Purlinga. Okay. Feminine gender, what we call in Marathi? Strilinga. Common gender is called what? Napusakalinga. Not Napusakalinga. Neuter gender is called Napusakalingi. Means which? Napusakalingi means yes, common gender. Correct? No, it is little different, I think so. In Marathi, I have got confused. I am not having that much knowledge of Marathi. But then Purling and Striling. Okay, Purling is male and Striling is female. Okay, common gender which is used common. Correct or not? Teacher, singer, not actor, you can say artist. Now artist can be male or female, anybody, correct or not? Then teacher can be male or female, anybody. Then if I want to tell you more things, examples, doctor can be male or female, correct? In common, when we use some word for the nouns that are which genders, they are common genders. Okay. Now here it is given, when you have to write down, give 5 examples of each. मस्क्युलाइन जेंडरचे 5 एक्झाम्पल्स द्यायचे, फेमिनाइन जेंडरचे 5 द्यायचे, कॉमन जेंडरचे 5 आणि न्यूट्रल जेंडरचे 5. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर. Masculine genders 5 examples are boy. Examples I am giving you. Boy, lion, poet, colt and lord. Okay. Now feminine gender. Examples of feminine gender are what? Examples of feminine gender are lady, L-A-D-Y, lady, princess, vixen, niece, N-I-E-C-E, niece. Examples of common gender are friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, teacher, child, doctor. One more example is required here. Lady, princess, vixen, niece. Five examples we have to give. Give here one more example. Sister. Yes, sister will work here. And here one example of common gender. And artist. Now let it be any artist. It can be male or female. Okay. Artist. Fourth one is neuter gender. Pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener. You can write down examples. Many examples are there of neuter gender. Okay. You can write down any non-living things which are neither male, which are neither females. Okay. You can write down many more examples. Table, pen, pencil, sharpener, then clothes, correct? Table, anything you can write down in neuter gender. In this way, we have written five examples of each. We have written 5 examples of each gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Understood? In this way, I have written all 5 examples. Please write down those 5 examples in your English grammar book. Now next one we are going to study here is the different ways of forming feminine gender of the nouns. From masculine gender, how feminine genders are formed. First one, by using entirely different words. मेल मधले शब्द एकदम वेगळे असतात आणि फिमेल मधले एकदम वेगळे असतात. तसे काही शब्द कसे असतात, प्रिन्स, प्रिन्सेस. प्रिन्सेस शब्द तेच स्पेलिंग्स घेतला असता, फक्त त्याला ESS जोडलेले आहे. प्रिन्सेस, प्रिन्स, प्रिन्सेस. ओके. मोर which words are like that? Which words are like that? Actor, actress, conductor, conductress. Okay. Same word is taken, only some changes are done in the ending of the word. Now here it is told that by using entirely different words, I will just read for you. Bachelor. Bachelor means what? A person who is not married. Man. Mulga. Okay. The person who is not married, he is called what? Bachelor. And the female or the girl who is not married, she is called maid or spinster. Okay. Who is not married. Girls, those who are not married. You people are what now? You are spinsters. Okay. Boys are what? Boys are bachelors. आणि एकदा लग्न झालं की मग ते बॅचलर्स राहत नाही. Okay. Boys are called bachelors. Girls are called spinsters. Second one, boy, girl. What it is? Boy, girl. Third one is brother, sister. Fourth one is buck, B-U-C-K, buck, doe. Bull or ox, cow. Bullock, heifer. Drake, duck. Earl, countess. Father, mother. Gander, goose. Gentleman, lady. Horse or stallion, mare. monk, nun, nephew, niece, putnya, putni. Okay, monk means what? People those who don't marry and they work for poor people, they are called monks. They are Chinese. Chinese saints are called monks. And nuns. Nuns, you know, there are sisters, correct or not? There are so many sisters, those who don't marry and they help poor people, correct, by serving them. Here it is those monk, nun, nephew, niece, papa, mama. Ram, Eve, uncle, aunt, sir, madam. In this way we have studied first page of this lesson, the gender. I told you there are 4 types of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Okay, please complete this writing, and remaining part we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, there are some given here, some words are given here. Then by adding ESS, how feminine genders are formed by adding ESS, then by adding ESS by dropping last vowel, then by adding ESS in irregular way, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, we will complete only this lesson for syllabus, only till I think so only 2 lessons will come for exam, or 1 more lesson, I think so I will complete 1 more lesson. Please complete examples, 5 examples of each. That is your homework for today. Okay, thank you.